What's going on YouTube? My name is Chris and welcome to Immodernation. In today's video, well, that's a thing that happened. Anyway, today I'm going to show you how to take apart a Steam Link streaming box. It's very simple, only requires a couple tools and can be completed in 5 minutes or less. So let's get to it. We're going to turn the device over and find that there are 4 hidden screws underneath this padding. So this padding is going to have to come off first. We don't need to remove the entire padding, just enough on the corners to gain access to the screws. The screws may be covered by some adhesive, in which case you need to use a sharp object to remove the adhesive from the screw holes. I'm using a Torx T6 screwdriver. You can find the Amazon affiliate link in the video description below, or you could buy one of those iFixit toolkits to work on a number of electronics. Link is also in the video description below. The adhesive backing may be difficult to remove for the first time, so don't get discouraged. Next, we're going to use the pry tool to open up the device. If you don't have a pry tool, even a thin credit card should work. Start with the seam on one side and work your way around the device. You'll begin to notice that there are small clips holding the device together. Once most of the lid has been separated, we can lift it off and remove it away from the device. First thing you'll notice is this giant aluminum block in the middle. This is actually the heat sink which cools the chips inside of the system. Underneath the aluminum heat block, there is a metal tray that contains the major components of the Steam Link system. On top of the metal tray is a thermal pad which facilitates the heat transfer from the processor to the metal tray and finally to the aluminum heat block. The device is mostly made of plastic, so you'll notice that the aluminum heat block adds a substantial amount of weight to the device. Next, we're going to remove the lid from the metal tray using a precision flathead screwdriver. You'll want a small but wide head screwdriver for this next part. With the Steam Link apart, we can now remove the plastic tray from underneath the board. This next part could be a little bit difficult. Place the flat end of the screwdriver underneath the metal lid and twist, lifting the metal plate off the board. I suggest starting with the corners because they are the easiest. Work your way around the board using the same technique until the metal lid is fully removed. We can now lift the metal tray away from the board, and congratulations, you have fully torn down the Steam Link device. If you look underneath the metal lid, you can see where the thermal heat pad is. This is what keeps the processor from overheating. If you have any comments or questions, leave them for me in the comments section below. Thank you very much for watching, and I will see ya!